the data science term coined in mid of 1980s. Later, it came into picture by 2000 somewhere, right? Not because of the lack of the people, because of only the computational power, because of computational power and making system to think intelligently. Okay, right? Agree, guys? Any doubt, any concern on this? Please raise your hand on this particular. So, data science is an AI because reasons. I'm explaining the reason. Because it takes help of machine learning and deep learning to think and take decision on its own. On its own, right? So let me go and I'll go and explain you this. Like, let me draw the diagrams. This is called data science. I'm saying that data science is able to take a decisions on its own. How? By the process of learning with the help of techniques called machine learning and deep learning. What machine learning does? Machine learning will take the historical data. So here I have AI, here we have machine learning, here we have deep learning. Whereas deep learning is explicitly unstructured data, and ML is structured data. Plus, like USD. Yes, here in ML, it's able to 80% and 20%. Here is, I can most of the time I with 80% and less time I will go with 20%. If it is a structured data, I'll prefer machine learning here. So, are you able to understand this concept? If not, please raise your voice, raise your hand and unmute yourself. Okay, Venkat, tell me. Hello? Yes. Hello? Someone is trying to ask me a question? Okay. Guys, if you have any doubt, and you can chat in our group actual also. I can answer you from there. I can take it from the data science group and I can answer you if you are unable to speak. Correct? My question is, I'm telling you, the data science is an AI because it's able to take the decisions on its own by the process of learning. By what it is taking the decisions? By learning. How this learning will happen? With the help in learning and deep learning techniques. What machine learning does, take the historical data and understand the hidden patterns and able to generalize on unseen data. I'll explain you machine learning in a very detailed way. Let's hold a thought. Okay. I'll give you the example. Machine learning. Like, let us take an example. Intermediate student, +2 student who is appearing for IIT JEE, right? What he does the reading for 2 years in FITZY, wherever, Narayana, somewhere. What will happen is, this guy is facing same questions in the exam. I say ideally no, but he is able to get 90% marks. My question is how? This is my question. You can chat in our WhatsApp, so that, or else you can post the question here, so that I'll answer you. Guys, are you there?
Yes, Suresh.
Yeah. What is the reason, Suresh, for this question actually? Because not like data science also. This particular question.
Not sure.
There is a, okay, once again, I'll explain you. Okay, let's keep this. There is a concept called generalization, right? So XYZ kid is able to generalize the answers, right? Or not seeing the question. The same way, machine learning also trains on fast data. It develops the generalization. So that it can able to predict. Predict the next features. Tell this, are you able to follow? Are you able to follow till this? Yes, no? Okay. Now we will see. I'll gonna address you the one by one. Now, sure. Why? Okay, I'll take the other color. right? Why there is an increase? Because of data plus computational power. Right? These two are industries, like the technology is being evolving. So my power of computations are being improved. So that was the main reason behind increased interest. Right now. So what is the era? Here, this is my data, huge data. Here, the same way we have huge computational power. These both bringing the new era of data science. These all are the new era. Because of what the reasons? Because of huge data exists in the market and the computational powers. Like we have got Tesla, Nvidia, Intel. They are producing their own process to address the issues of the data. Right? So it's not like this is what all about, like personalized the precision, medicines, energy, lot many things, lot many areas the data science is coming into the picture.